Dear students, today I will discuss remaining logical instructions, and based upon these instructions we will implement some assembly language program in 8085. Now this RLC, this is very important. Okay, it will rotate accumulator left without carry. Okay, it will rotate accumulator left without carry. Each binary bit of the accumulator is rotated left by one position. Bit D7 is placed in the position of D0, means this D7, okay, this is moving into D0 as well as in carry flag. This D7 means new CY equal to new carry equal to old D7, and new D0 equal to what? Old D7, and each bit is shifted towards left. Okay, CY is modified according to bit D7. Whatever is the value of D7, if it is 1, value of CY will be 1. If it is 0, value of CY will be 0. And sign flag, zero flag, parity flag and auxiliary carry flag are not affected. Means this instruction only affects carry flag. Okay, suppose this is your data 1010. Okay, means A 1010. After rotating one time towards left direction without carry, what will happen? Now this 0 will come here, this 1 will come here, this 0 will come here, this 1 will come here, this 0 will come here, this 1 will come here, this 0 will come here, and this 1 will again come here as well as in carry flag. So new CY equal to 1 and value will be 55. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, this is your RLC. So you have to remember, after applying RLC command 4th time, your number becomes reverse. Okay, if this is 1 time, okay, again if I apply 2nd time, then 3rd time, then 4th time, your number will be reversed. Okay, contents of accumulator will be reversed. Only through this method you can reverse contents of accumulator. Next, RAL, rotate accumulator left through carry. Now in this case you have to consider 9-bit number along with this carry, 8-bit this and this carry. Now this carry will rotate. Okay, in RLC, this carry is not rotating, but in RL this carry will rotate accumulator left through carry. This bit is shifted here, this here, this here, this here, this here, this here, this here. Now this is shifted into carry flag and this carry flag is shifted into this. Means new D0 is old CY and this new CY equal to old D7. Okay, suppose this is data, again the same data AA. When we will apply one time, contents will be 54H and value of carry flag will be 1, because here is 1, so value of carry flag will be 1. Okay, next RRC, it is the reverse of RLC, and in this rotates accumulator right without carry. Each binary bit of the accumulator is rotated right by one position. Bit D0 is placed in position of D7 as well as in carry flag. Now this D0, okay, this bit is shifted here, this 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 is shifted, because without carry. So this D0 will come either in CY and it will also come in the D7. Okay, means new D7 equal to new CY equal to old D0. So where you can use this? You can use to check whether a number is even or odd. You know, if number is even, LSB bit is 0. If number is odd, LSB bit, this is 1. So when you will rotate it, value of carry flag will be either 1 or 0. If value of carry flag is 1, it means number is odd. If value of carry flag is 0, again number is even. Okay, So again it only modified carry flag, it does not affect remaining flags. Okay, again if you apply RRC command 4 times, number becomes reverse. Now last one, RAR. In this case, rotate accumulator right through carry. Now again you have to consider 9-bit number. Now this carry will rotate. Okay, each bit is shifted toward right direction, and this D0 is coming in carry flag, and this carry flag is coming in this D7 bit. Okay, bit D0 is placed in carry flag, and the carry flag is placed in the most significant. This carry flag is coming in here, and suppose value is 10AA. After applying this instruction, value will be 81H, and value of carry flag will be what? Value of carry flag will be 1, because this 1 is shifting here. Okay, these are all your rotate instruction. Now next, CMC, it will complement carry flag. Now there is bit operation. There are only 2 instructions, CMC and STC in 8085, in which you can perform bit operation. You know, value of carry flag can be 0 or 1. Suppose value is 0, after executing this, value of carry flag will be 1. If suppose value of carry flag is 1, and after complementing, value will be 0. CMC means CY equals CY dash. Okay, no other flags are affected, only carry flag is complemented. Next one, STC, set carry flag. It will set to carry flag 1, means always value of carry flag will be 1. Now based upon these instructions, we will implement some basic 8085 programs. Okay, suppose you have to implement an assembly language program in 8085 which converts an 8-bit binary number. Suppose I am assuming number 75 into gray number. Suppose it is available in 2050 memory location. Okay, in 2050 memory location. Suppose this is in 2050 memory location. Okay, and you have to store the result in 3050 memory location, and you already know the procedure how to convert binary number into gray number. What we will do, this MSB will be always equal to this, so it must be A7, or you can say 0. Here is 0, so it will be 0. Now what we do, we shift each bit by 1 position. Now 0, just you can say shift this 0 by here. Okay, right shift, just copy from here to here and paste here. Okay, sorry, only this 0 is shifted here. Okay, now this one is will come here, right shift by 1. This one will come here. Now this one will come here. Now this 0 will come here. Now this 1 will come here. Okay, now this 0 will come here. Now what will be value of this value? This will be always equal to 0, because you know A XOR, suppose MSB bit is A XOR 0 is A, so it will be 0. You know MSB of binary is equal to MSB of gray. Suppose here is 1 XOR 0 1, and rest of the bit you have to shift. Now what you will do, you will perform XOR operation. 1 XOR 0 1. Okay, 1 XOR 1 0, then 1 1 XOR 0, then 0 1 XOR 1, then 1 0 XOR 1. Okay, then 0 XOR 1 1, then 1 XOR 0 1. Okay, so what will be the answer? Suppose you are storing 3050 memory location. Suppose so answer will be 4F. Okay, this will be 0 1 0 0 into gray means it will be what? 4F. This will be your resultant data. Okay, once again I am repeating, MSB will be same, so this bit will be always 0. Now the question is how you will make this bit always 0. this bit always 0. So for this, you know, you have the instruction RAR, rotate accumulator right through carry, means each bit will rotate here and the value of this carry, so here is carry, it will come here. Okay, this RAR, this just you can see from here RAR, this bit will shifted here and this bit, okay, this will come in MSB and you have to make MSB always 1. So what I will do, I will first instruction STC, it means what CY equal to 1, then complement it CMC complement, it means what CY equal to what 0. Now move the data from 2050 memory location, move this data from 2050 memory location. So LDA 2050 means value of A is what 75. Now move in temporary register B, move B comma A. Okay, now again value of B and A are 75. Then perform RAR, rotate accumulator right, rotate accumulator right through carry. So what is the value of carry? 0. So it will come here. Okay, is it clear or not? Why I am using RAR? Because this bit we have to make always 0, because MSB is same. A XOR 0 is A. If here is 0, it will be 0. If here is 1, it will be 1. So it will be 0. So now value of previous carry is 0. So this 0 will come here. Now what you will do? You just perform XOR A B. It will perform A equal to A XOR B. Then store result STA 3050. Then halt. It is your program. How to convert? Answer will give 4M. Okay. Now I will run this program in simulator and we will see the result. Okay. I am just copying from here, just paste in this simulator, Control V. Okay, Control V. This program is here. Just copy from here and paste. It is not pasting ADC. There is some problem. Control V. Yes, now it is copied. Okay, now no problem. STC CMC LD 2050 move B comma RAR XOR B ST 3050. Now what is the value? 75. Okay, this is 75 and result is 4M. 75 and result is 4M. 75 is available in 2050. 75. Okay, now set this memory. Now execute this program. Okay, line by line. Okay, it is executed. Now check the result in 3050. Okay, 3050. It will be 4M. Now you can see from here 4M. Okay, it means your binary data is converted into gray data. Okay, binary to gray conversion. Okay, now we will see one more program. Okay, suppose you have to determine, this is your program binary to gray conversion. Okay, just take the screenshot of this program. Now I am implementing assembly language program which determines sorry, that is in caps lock, which determine sum of digits of an 8-bit number. Okay, suppose I am implementing this program. Means what is the program? Now suppose data, 8-bit data is what? 75. Again the same data I am taking, 75. And how will you implement? You have a sum of digits. Now digits are 7 and 5. You have to determine this addition. Okay, how will you implement? Okay, for this, first off you will separate this digit 5, then you will separate this digit 7, then you will add. Suppose again this number is available in 2050. Okay, suppose in 2050, the first number is in 2050 memory location. Then what you will do? Use temporary variable B register. Then how will you separate this 5? I already explained by using ANI 0F. ANI 0F. After performing ANI 0F, it will separate this 5. It means A equal to 5. Okay, it means what? A equal to 05. Now store it in another temporary register. Move C comma A. It means what? C equal to what? 05. Now how will separate this 7? By ANI F0. Okay, now data is available in this 75 in B register, so move A comma B. Again you can use LA 2050. Okay, then apply ANI F0. Now it will perform AND operation of 75 and F0. And what will be value of A? A will be 70, not 07. Now you know how to reverse contents of accumulator. You can apply either RLC or RRC 4 times to reverse. So when I will apply RLC 4 times. Okay, RLC, then again RLC, then what? Again RLC 4 times. It means what? Contents of A equal to what? 07. Now you have separated both the digits. Now one data is in A, another data is in C. Now just use add C, then STA 3050. Okay, this is your program how to determine sum of digits of an 8-bit number. So number is 75. So what will be answer? 7 plus 5 12. So answer will be 0C in hexadecimal number system. Okay, this is your program. Just from here you can see contents of A will be 75. I am using temporary register B equal to 75, ANI 0F. You know where there is F, that digit will come, and where there is 0, that digit will be masked. So A will be 05. Now data is available A05. Now move in C register, C05. Now move A comma B, B75, A75. Now ANI F0, A equal to 70. After applying RLC chart 4 times or RRC 4 times, you will get the reverse of accommodate 8 zeros. Now add C ST 3050. Okay, now I will run this program in simulator. Okay, just I am removing comments. In simulator, for comment you can use @ of. Okay, Control C. Okay, data is 75 again, the same data I am taking. So just copy and paste here. Control V. Okay, this halt. This is your program. LDA ANI 0F MB. Now run this program. First take data 2050. 2050. Data is what? 75. Set. Now there is invalid hexadecimal number. It is showing where there is error. Line number 7. Okay, I think this is FO. It will be F0. Okay, you have to take precautions. This is 0. Now debug this program line by line. Yes. Okay, now program is successfully executed. Now check the result in 3050. You can see 0C. Okay, how you will use these logic instructions in any program, that is most important. So you have to remember all these instructions. These are very, very useful. Okay, it's all about your today lecture. In next lecture I will discuss branching instruction and some more assembly language program, and I will implement in 8085. Thank you so much for watching.